first, show me what color glitter glue you got.
This one. This one.
What color are those?
Red and green.
All right, so open up your glitter carefully. And it's gonna be 6 ounces of glue. We're gonna carefully pour it into your bowl, okay? Nope, your big bowl. Your big bowl. Your big mixing bowl. Yep, good job, Sophia. Selena, your turn.
Glow. That's glowy. Yeah.
Watch out.
All done.
All done. Okay, so set your bottle to the side. Okay. Now just leave the lid off is fine. Next, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So you're gonna pick up the cup with the letter A. And that's okay. And then we're going to add our 2 teaspoons of baking soda to our glitter. Wow, good job. Next, we are going to pick up the cup B and add 2 tablespoons of water. Carefully, don't spill. Good job. Next, we are going to add cup C that has 1.5 tablespoons of contact solution. Cup C, good. Now, we're gonna pick up our spoons and we're gonna mix it really, really good.
Like slimy. Gooey.
Gooey.
Uh-oh.
It's okay, just make sure you slow down and be careful. Good job.
Whoa. So gluey.
Gluey.
Ah, I can get it off. Okay. It's fake. That's okay. I've got some red too. Water. Now stir. That's okay.
Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, 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 stir. There you go, Sophia. Stir, stir, stir.
That's okay.
That's okay. Okay, now let's pick it up. And let's knead it together. That means kind of massage it and squeeze it until it becomes like a slime. This could take about 5 minutes.
Okay. It's sticky.
Is it sticky? What does it feel like?
Gooey? Like gummy bears.
Show me your slime, Sophia. Wow. What do you got, Selena? Wow.
Whoa, it's cold. Cold on my hands.
Yeah?
It's sticky. Whoa. It's kind of like a necklace.
Mm-hmm.
But a long necklace. Probably for a giant. Yeah. Let me see if I can make a worm. Bubble. Let me see if I can make a worm. Stretch it. Mine's really big. Stick it to the table. Necklace. Whoa! This is a big. I know what I can do with popsicles.
Good idea.
Oh my gosh, look at mine.
Whoa.
Whoa. Or a gum. This is kind of like a giant gum.